Hi royalties, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I am going to be showing you two glamorous tablescapes. Now if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this video started. And these are my items that I will be using to style this tablescape. And this spring and summer, you guys, tablescape styling, and we are featuring the color blue. And we're going to just set up the table. And don't forget, I am going to give you two totally different looks, so make sure you do watch to the end. And to you guys, make sure you do always check out that description box. I do put useful information for you down in that description box as well. And to you guys, the chargers came from Tablecloth Factory. I am going to include their link down in my description box. And I got these plates from Dollar General. Please check out your Dollar General because they do bring in quite a bit of different selection on table decor. If you're still watching and you haven't become a part of the Glam Queen brand, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you get glam home decor styling. We feature tablescapes, room tours, home tours, coffee table styling, entryway style, anything that has to do with home decor. You do get that featured here on the Glam Queen of Decor. Now make sure you also check out our other branded channels, and that is the Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen Vlogs, and Fit for a Queen. All of those links are down in the description box. And to you guys, we're going back to our regular scheduled program where you get uploads on Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But for the remainder of May and June, you will be almost getting uploads daily. So please make sure you're checking out the channel and coming back if you're not receiving your notifications. All right, now let's get ready to reveal look number one. Please drop me a comment down below if you're inspired by tablescape number one. And now you guys, let's get ready for reveal number 2. Now as you can see, I changed out my glassware for Tablescape number 2. You can create a different tablescape with just changing simple things, you guys. And you see it did make another greater impact. Now drop me a comment down in the comment section if you're liking Tablescape number 2 as well. Now to you guys, please make sure you check out those latest videos that we have posted here on the channel. That is that guest room refresh makeover, and also that summer fun tablescape. All of those links is down in my description box. Once again, if you are watching and you are not part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, do make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that bell twice, and it turns blue. Then you'll be notified every single time that we are uploading videos. Now if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.